Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the right medication and concentration, because mistakes have real consequences. Once done, visually inspect the glass for cracks and the solution for cloudiness. Any abnormality means do not use it. Make sure your hands are clean, and then swab the rubber stopper with an alcohol pad for about 30 seconds to reduce contamination. This step helps prevent infections and keeps the vial sterile before you puncture it. You next remove the plastic cap, exposing the rubber stopper, but avoid touching that sterile surface to keep contamination risk low. Once the stopper is exposed, choose a syringe and needle appropriate for the drug and dose. Thicker solutions need a larger needle. Insert the needle straight in at a 90-degree angle to prevent coring, then draw the drug slowly, watching for air. If bubbles appear, tap and expel them and redraw to ensure accurate dosing. You finish by verifying the exact dose once more, then withdraw the needle smoothly and recap with a one-hand scoop only if required by protocol. Otherwise, move directly to disposal. Make sure you place the used syringe and needle into a puncture-assistant sharps container right away to protect others. If anything goes wrong, like a cracked vial, peeling seal, or cloudy solution, stop, discard the vial, and get a new one. Document the issue, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.